Today we're bringing some peace of mind to our house and even our chicken coop with the help of our 3-pack of Wi-Fi smoke and carbon monoxide detectors from Xsense. And it all comes shipped to your door, ready to protect your house too. All you need to install is a power drill. Inside the box, you can find your user manual and warranty, 3 sets of hardware, and 3 smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. If you twist the back of the detector, you can remove the mounting plate. Inside, you'll find your battery and battery tab. Pull out the battery tab and make sure the battery is placed securely. Then the detector powers on and is ready to go. The mounting plate has 3 little screw holes and couldn't be easier to install. Just go to the areas you want covered and screw the mounting plate onto the ceiling. I put one in the chicken coop, one in the kitchen, and one on the outside of the bedroom and bathroom. Then I grabbed the detectors and twisted and locked them into place. On the ring of the detector, you have an installation date sticker with friendly reminder of when you need to replace your device. Now you can push the test button and make sure they're working properly. To connect your detectors to the phone, download the Xsense app and click Add Device. Select Combination Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarms, give your device a name, and select Location. Then push and hold the test button for 5 seconds to enable pairing mode. When your phone finds the device, select it and select your Wi-Fi, and then your device connects to the phone. Then repeat these steps for your other detectors. Now when you go into the Xsense app, you'll have a list of all your different combination alarms. You have status on their power level, as well as connection to Wi-Fi. Now if there's a fire or rise in carbon monoxide, your phone will alert you, as well as the smoke detectors in the home itself. Now whether you're out and about or in the house, you'll know if something is wrong. You can even select the detector itself and view event history, invite others to receive notifications, and pick and choose which notifications it will send you. Since it's colder out, we've been keeping the heat lamp on for our chickens, and with that, there's a fire hazard. So I couldn't be happier to know that I'll be notified if anything happens right away. But in my opinion, the best part about this is that the app links with all the other Xsense devices. Now I can get smoke and carbon monoxide alerts, as well as have alerts with my driveway alarm and security camera. Now any future Xsense product I get will link right with this, and all my home security alerts will be under one app. Now that's awesome. So if you're looking for some extra peace of mind for your house, or in your chicken coop like me, these Wi-Fi smoke and carbon monoxide detectors from Xsense might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go relax, knowing my chickens are safe in their coop. See ya.